I'm saying this, you know, when I clock in, no cap. Like, I had a dispute. Remember I told you how my supervisor tried to do me dirty? Had I not been educated and be able to talk to that big boss, he's the owner of the business, the company. So he oversees all that. So my thing was, my supervisor is not good at communication at all whatsoever. He is a disrespectful person, and I didn't outed him many times because at the end of the day, I was like, yo, to be honest, you could check my background. Like, I've worked many places. I know what it's like to be in management and all that. I haven't run, you know, I have my own business low key. I'm not trying to spit on anybody to be here. I'm here to work. Exactly. But you know, what I realized too was that the big boss basically said, well, he gets paid to do that, as far as running the floor. I said, yeah, I understand he gets paid to run the floor, but there's a way in order to speak to people. And there's no way that he's gonna be here to continue being disrespectful to the workers. That doesn't create a positive work environment. So at the end of the day, he still needs to pay mine. And this is how I killed his joint right here. I was like, oh, you might really think this is for me, that you pulled me here to the side when you could have just really asked me, hey, why did you go to the bathroom? I would have told you that I was washing my hands when I got cut by the machine. Instead of you doing all this. Because now, I was like, now, I didn't know you was gonna snitch. Because I had him looking stupid. I didn't know you was gonna snitch. And now, I gotta come from you. Yeah. And now I'm about to communicate and do this to you. So yeah, I really had him, he was done up. That whole, I promise you, God my witness, that whole week, he was super with the supervisor. He was a super. Nigga usually came to the door by like 6:59, 7 a.m. He came at 6:43 in the morning to open the door for everybody. So nobody was waiting outside for him. Nobody heard, yo, he was the best supervisor that week. I'm dead, yes he was. Mr. Nice Guy. I was like, this is new? Oh, we got a dope supervisor. Yeah, oh yeah. I twisted his ass, 2.5. Dead ass. Yeah. I dead ass said, oh, you thought this was for me? Yeah. I was like, oh, you might think it's for me, but this is really for you. You need to work on your communication. Yo, they was not playing. Fuck, shit. Yeah. Nobody but us outside. Yo, this crazy. Nah, bro. Nah. Crazy. Could they play it this way? I don't know.
Yeah, you probably cool, man, because so high it is, man. Can't shovel it and it is falling, man.
Yeah.
First of the family. family tree to hit over 1 million streams. Over 100,000 see me. Gotta be blind if you don't see me. I'm a star from the way I shine. Stevie Wonder, got a feeling still the trillest in my city. In my city. That I'm still the trillest in my city. Who do you know from Jersey? Rapping prosperity and business. From the way that I be killing it. Always cool, been consistent.
On the Haitian got me facing like a Jamaican. Mind racing hard, still pacing.